In this video, we will talk about how to send crypto from Kraken to Exodus wallet step by step. So first, what you need to do is open Exodus and go to the wallet section. Use the search bar to find the coin you want to transfer. In my example, I'll search for Bitcoin and select it. Next, press receive. You'll now get the option to either scan a QR code or copy the wallet address. Then head over to the Kraken app and tap transfer. Choose withdraw, select the crypto you're sending, which here is Bitcoin, and make sure you pick the correct network, usually the Bitcoin network. Then under addresses, tap add withdraw address, select Bitcoin, scan the QR code and continue. Enter a description, continue and confirm. After that, confirm through your email to verify the address. Once confirmed, continue to withdraw. If I had enough BTC, I'd hit max and press the purple button to complete the transfer to Exodus. And if you don't have a cold wallet, you're at risk of losing everything. The one I recommend is SafePower X1, which is Bluetooth, simple to use, supports many coins, and is far cheaper than others. With my coupon code MasteryHub at SFP, you can get it for only $38.29, including shipping. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching.